In episode 17, Yingguo goes to the hotel to meet Yiyang. As Yingguo is about to knock on the door, Yiyang opens it. Yingguo is very happy to see Yiyang. Yiyang notices that Yingguo is wearing a dress and comments, "You look really nice in that dress, but you usually don't wear them." Yingguo responds, "Yes, because we met in winter." Yingguo then suggests, "If you liked my outfit, I'll buy more beautiful dresses to wear for you when you come back." Yiyang agrees by saying, "Okay." Yiyang then kisses Yingguo. Yingguo tells Yiyang, "Now, see your gift." Yiyang says, "But today is your birthday." Yingguo explains, "I had already bought this gift for you." Yiyang opens the gift and finds a t-shirt inside. Yingguo says, "I got us matching t-shirts." Yiyang likes the gift and suggests to Yingguo, "Now let's see your gift." Yingguo opens the gift box and finds an ATM card inside. Yiyang explains, "This is the prize money I received for winning the first championship. It may not be a lot, but you can spend it however you like." Yingguo responds, "This is your prize money. How can I spend it like I want?" Yiyang says, "I'll get more in the future." She asks if Yiyang took a rest after his flight. Yiyang says, "No, I came straight here after landing." Yingguo tells him that he should rest for a while. They both sit on the bed. Yiyang says, "I was nervous to meet you." Yingguo questions, "Why?" Yiyang explains, "I was afraid that your feelings would change for me." Yingguo admits, "I also had this fear that your fame is growing and someone might snatch you away from me." Yiyang kisses her after hearing this, then he gets a message. Yiyang mentions, "I ordered food. I'll go pick it up." Yingguo suggests he rests there, and she leaves. Upon her return, Yingguo brings plasters for Yiyang's arm, but he is already asleep. As she begins to apply them, Yiyang wakes up. Yiyang questions why it took her so long. Yingguo explains she went to get plasters for him because she noticed his shoulder was injured. While applying the plaster, Yiyang remarks, "I remember you just won a championship." Yingguo says, "Yes." Yiyang calls it a congratulations. Then, Yingguo starts showing her savings, saying, "These are financial products. I never withdraw money." Yiyang falls silent briefly, then Yingguo asks, "What's on your mind?" Yiyang says, "This sweater looks really good on you." Yiyang mentions that he admired many of her shoes and clothes, but he hasn't purchased any for her. He then expresses, "Since we've been together, I haven't been able to give you much. I wonder how I've captured your heart. There's nothing extraordinary about me." Yingguo responds, "You're handsome, maybe that's why I'm attracted to you." Yingguo adds, "If you take care of yourself, I can see your face for 40 to 50 years. Meanwhile, Yingguo's mom calls her, asking her to come home. Yiyang asks what happened, and Yingguo clarifies that there's a curfew in her house to be back by 11 o'clock if she's not competing. Yiyang takes her to her house. Yingguo says, "You came here to celebrate my birthday, but we still couldn't spend much time together." Yiyang suggests she should leave now as it's already 11, but Yingguo says she doesn't want to go inside. Yiyang notices that she is crying. Yingguo says, "I'm not crying, I'm holding back my tears because I'm afraid Mom will find out." Hearing this, Yiyang remains silent. Yingguo asks him about his flight time, and Yiyang says, "My flight is at 4:30. As they talk, Xiaodong arrives. Xiaodong tells Yingguo to come with him to Bay City for a meeting. Yingguo says it's too late, but Xiaodong insists, saying, "I've talked to your mom." Xiaodong assures Yingguo, "I'll also give my old friend a ride." Hearing this, Yiyang becomes happy. The three then head to the cafeteria of Bay City. Yingguo tells Yiyang, "I'll cook for you today." Yiyang says he wants noodles. Yingguo goes to make noodles, and after eating, Xiaodong comes to drop Yiyang at the airport. Yingguo then asks, "Will you really come later?" Yiyang replies, "Yes, but I have to go now." Saying this, Yiyang leaves. When Yiyang looks back, he notices that Yingguo looks quite upset. Yiyang smiles and leaves. However, as soon as Yiyang leaves, Yingguo starts crying. Now, fast forward a year and a half. Yingguo is at the airport, where she meets Lin Lin. Upon seeing Yingguo, Lin Lin says, "It's been quite a while." Yingguo says, I heard you had a major surgery. Will you be able to play comfortably in such a big competition? Lin Lin responds, I wanted to rest for a month, but this competition is too important to rest now. Lin Lin then adds, Yiyang's popularity is skyrocketing, and he's been winning impressive prizes. If we tally up all the prize money from this competition, he must have earned over 1 million. Lin Lin asks, what is he trying to do? Yingguo reveals that he aims to return to China and open a billiard room. Yiyang is on his way back to China. Wu Wei arrives at the airport with his friends and asks if Yiyang has returned. As Yiyang arrives, he mentions that the flight was delayed. Yiyang congratulates Yingguo on winning another world championship. Wu Wei then asks Yingguo if her family knows about Yiyang. Yingguo responds that they don't because Xiaodong instructed her not to mention Yiyang at home until he comes back. After his return, Xiaodong promised to convince her family. Wu Wei asks if she is aware of the dispute Yiyang had with the referee, and mentions that her mom was also on the referee's team. Yingguo confirms that she knows about it and mentions that there is a lot of news circulating about Yiyang's comeback, which is why her parents often talk about him. Now, everyone starts saying that the flight has landed, and Yiyang will also be coming. Upon Yiyang's arrival, Yingguo becomes emotional. Yiyang immediately hugs Yingguo, and both of them are very happy to meet each other after such a long time. Yiyang remarks that she has become even more beautiful. Yingguo asks who taught you to talk like this, and Yiyang responds that these days he can only think about this. Yingguo starts laughing. Yiyang notices his friends. Yiyang says, you two carry on, I am tired of seeing you again. Hearing this, Yiyang and Yingguo come to them. Yiyang's friend mentions that his schedule has been so busy that he hasn't been able to meet Yingguo often. Yingguo agrees, saying that Xiaodong has seen him more than she has during this time. Now, when everyone comes to the parking area, Yingguo informs Yiyang that she needs to leave because the club's bus is waiting for her. Yiyang offers to drop her off there. As they are about to leave, Xiaodong arrives. Seeing Xiaodong, Yingguo is very surprised and asks what he is doing here. Xiaodong explains that he came to pick her up. Yingguo was about to mention that Xiaodong never came to pick her up before, but upon seeing Lin Lin, she realizes that Xiaodong came for Lin Lin. Yiyang also understands the situation now and advises Yingguo to leave. Yingguo starts laughing when she sees that Yiyang is wearing the same shirt that she has gifted him. Yiyang asks Yingguo if she has told her family about him, to which Yingguo replies not yet. Yingguo explains that Xiaodong told her to keep it a secret, and she didn't tell him because she thought he would get angry. Yiyang then asks if he can meet her tomorrow, but Yingguo says no because she has to go out with her family. Yingguo says she missed him a lot. Lin Lin tells Xiaodong that they should talk because the situation feels even more awkward without talking. Xiaodong says he bought some tonics for her. Lin Lin says send them to my house. Saying this, Lin Lin leaves from here. Now, as Xiaodong arrives here, Yingguo bids goodbye to Yiyang and leaves with Xiaodong.